Last time I spoke briefly about what design thinking is and how it's being applied to solve different kinds of problems using principles of empathy, creativity, and rationality. But today I'd like to continue that conversation and actually push it to a new level, to an emerging new area that I'd like to coin Design Thinking 3.0, Transformation Design. So before we do that, let me take a step back and talk about what is Design Thinking 1.0. So I define Design Thinking 1.0 in the area of products and services, things that are quite tangible. Because in the early days of design thinking, companies like IDEO, with a background in industrial design, ended up designing things in a user-centric way, but were very tangible. And so they came up with things like Apple's first mouse. And so that was kind of the first era of design thinking, but what's actually happened is people start to realize, wait a minute, we can apply these principles to broader systems, to organizations, and even to cultures. And so that's what I call Design Thinking 2.0, the age of experience design. And so with experience design, it was now not just about the product and service, but the context of the setting that a product or service would sit in, and would be applied to things like museum, attraction design, restaurants experiences, hotel experiences, but even workplace culture. And then I kind of started to think about what could be Design Thinking 3.0. And I actually wanted to coin the term transformation design, but then I realized in researching that the Design Council of the UK beat me to it in 2004 when they launched a company called RED. And RED was really about applying design thinking principles to the transformation of public service. And then that led me on a journey to actually define and understand what is the meaning of this word transformation design. So I went to my favorite source, Wikipedia, and here's what I found. Transformation design is a human-centered, interdisciplinary process that seeks to create desirable and sustainable changes in behavior and form of individuals, systems, and organizations, often for socially progressive ends. I loved it. And when I read this definition, I was relieved and excited because I realized that this is actually the most accurate description of what we do and who we want to be in the world. Transformation design can result in many different outcomes, ranging from a new role description, a new organization, a new process, a new system, a new physical environment, a new digital experience. At the end of the day, in order to do all of these things, it requires a lot of different disciplines. So it truly is a multidisciplinary approach which integrates architects, filmmakers, storytellers, consultants, coaches, business people, stakeholders, policymakers. You have to bring all these people together in order to design a transformation or a change in the way that people actually do things for the better. At the end of the day, as transformation designers, we're basically experience designers with a clear vision and purpose. For us, our purpose is to bring more joy and beauty to the world. But what is it for you? How do you design transformation into your organizations?